Are you okay, Mia? You look very tired tonight.
I am okay, Leo. Just my body feels very heavy. The baby is moving a lot today.
Maybe the baby is excited to meet us. I checked the hospital bag again. Everything is ready. Diapers, clothes, and your favorite blanket.
Thank you, Leo. You are so organized. I feel safe when you are here.
I am a bit nervous, Mia. I keep thinking, will I be a good father? Will I know what to do?
Look at me, Leo. You are kind. You are patient. That is all a baby needs. You will be perfect. Oh, oh no, Leo!
Oh, Mia, what happened? Did you fall?
No, it's a pain, a very big pain in my stomach. It is very strong, Leo.
Is it time? But the doctor said 2 weeks. Wait, let me look at the clock. Stay calm, Leo. Stay calm. Don't show her you are scared. You must be strong for her.
It is going away now. Okay, I can breathe. It was so fast. Leo, it's back. It's much stronger. The baby is coming. I know it. It is time.
Okay, it is happening. I have the bag, I have the keys. Where are my shoes? Where are my shoes?
They are under the table, Leo. Focus. Please, help me stand up.
I am here. I am here. Lean on me. Put your weight on my shoulder. Slowly, slowly, we're going to the car.
It hurts so much. I can't walk fast, Leo. Please, tell the baby to wait.
I am talking to the baby, Mia. I am saying, wait for the hospital. Just a few more steps.
Watch the road. Red light, stop. Okay, green light, go. Don't go too fast, but don't go slow. Mia, keep breathing. Remember the classes. Breathe in, breathe out.
I am breathing, Leo, but the pain is like a fire. How far is the hospital?
5 minutes, just 5 minutes. I can see the big hospital sign now. Look at the blue light. We're almost there.
I am so scared, Leo. What if something goes wrong? What if I am not strong enough?
You are the strongest woman I know. Look at me. We're doing this together. I'm right here. I will not leave you. I am so lonely out here. Mia is inside that room. I want to be with her. Please be okay. Please, both of them be okay. The doctor just gave me an update. He says Mia is very strong. He says the baby's heart is very healthy. He told me to go inside now. Okay, Leo, go in. Be a father.
Leo, you came back.
I never left. I was just outside the door. The doctor says you are almost ready. You are a hero, Mia. Just one more time.
I am so tired. I don't have energy left.
Yes, you do. I will give you my energy. Hold my hand. Squeeze it as hard as you want. I am your wall. I am right here.
Mia, did you hear that? That's him. That's our baby.
Is he okay? Leo, tell me, is he healthy?
The doctor says he is perfect. 10 fingers, 10 toes. He's crying very loudly. He has a strong voice, just like you.
Bring him to me. Please, let me see my son.
Be careful. He is very small. Here he is, our son.
Oh, hello. Hello, my little baby. Look at your eyes. You look just like your daddy.
He is so beautiful, Mia. I can't believe he is ours. I feel like a different man now.
You are a father now, Leo.
a very brave father. You stayed with me the whole time.
I was scared, but seeing you two, the fear is gone. I only feel love. The sun is rising on a new world. I have a son. I have a family. I am so lucky. I will protect them forever.
Leo? What are you thinking about?
I am thinking about our future. I am thinking about how much I love you. We did it, Mia. We are a family.